On our bill of fare today, fried fish is what we are making. This was absolutely good. So we'll be frying tilapia, belt fish, and round scarred fish as well with, and then so many more. So if today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. Please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. So that is the fish I have here, and I am just going to clean it very well. Okay, so when I was cleaning it, I cleaned it with my lemon juice. I have cleaned it once already with lemon juice. Now I will just go ahead and then remove all the intestine and then the grills, every part that I don't want. I will just go ahead and then remove everything, just like how you are seeing on the screen. Should you are watching me for the very first time and you don't like the quality of the video, I am very sorry. This was made long ago, about 3 years ago. Okay, yes, so just enjoy it for me like that, and then go ahead and watch any other videos on my channel. You will love them. Okay, yes, thank you so much for your understanding. So we will continue with the cleaning before I share with you how we are going to fold the fish, and then what we are going to add to the fish to add some taste, and then so many things. So please do not click out. My returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for your time. I am so grateful. With the type of tilapia I am using right now, oh my goodness, it has that fishy smell. Yes, there are some, even though all the fishes, okay, they have that fishy smell, but some of them, theirs are very strong. Yes, and this tilapia, I don't know where they got it from. It is very fishy, so I had to wash it very well. How I remove the intestine and then everything from the belt fish is the same thing I am doing to the round scarred fish. Okay, the one I'm holding right now is round scarred fish, so I'm doing the same thing to it, and then we are good to go. With the tilapia, they washed it very well for me already, so I don't have to do anything to it but to clean it very well and then remove the fishy smell from it. Please, we are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Kindly follow us for more videos, and trust me, you will love it there. I told you earlier that we used lemon juice to clean the fish. Yes, and we are doing that for the second time. I will clean it one by one, because when I don't want the situation whereby if someone wants to taste it, it would taste some way, be funny way. No, so I just have to take my time and then clean it very well before we continue. So this is how I fold the belt fish. Okay, it is not that difficult to do. Okay, but you may see it difficult because of where I am standing and then doing the video. Sometimes I do stand just at the behind my tripod stand, so you can see how I'm struggling. Yes, so it doesn't mean that it is very difficult to fold. Okay, but it is because of where I am standing. That is why I'm finding it very difficult to do so. After folding it, you just open the mouth and then put the tail in there. Voila, you are good to go. You can go ahead and then cut those things at the edges there. Okay, you can do so, but I think I forgot. Okay, I usually cut them, but I think I forgot. So I will repeat it again for you to see it again, how I am going to do it, so that you can become perfect. So the folding continues. Okay, yeah, thank you so much. If you've watched the video till this point, I guess you like the video. Can you please smash on the like button for me, and then share the video to others? I'll be very grateful. Leave me your comments in the comment section and let me know what do you think about the video. I'll be very happy to hear from you. You can as well just cut the belt fish into any size that you want. Okay, just cut them if you don't want to fold it, but I prefer folding it, and it looks presentable if you dash it to someone. I know someone will write it in the comment section. Can you dash it to me? Come for it. I didn't hear it 3 years ago. No? Come for it. That is just by the way. So now I have the round catfish here. I cleaned it very well with the lemon juice as well, and now they are in the water. I've added some salt to it. It's the same thing that I'm going to do to the belt fish and then the tilapia. So what I added was my pepper. Yes, that is pepper. Now I waited for about 20-30 minutes. I removed it from the water and then let it strain so that it can become a bit dry, and when we are frying, the place will not be messy. And after that, I coated the fish with my all-purpose flour, and now I am frying it. When you fry it, ensure that you flip it to the other side when the other side is well fried, and then, or if it is burning, you just flip it so that you make sure that you get it perfect. Okay, or if you think it has fried, you just flip it. Now just look at that. It is very big fish, but it is well fried and it did not get burnt, and trust me, they love it. So the oil was looking nasty for me. Please, it doesn't mean you should do the same thing. So I had to discard it and then go ahead and then fry the rest of the fish because I didn't want to use the same oil. So now we are going to fry the round catfish, and I'm going to coat it with the flour. If you don't want to coat it with the flour but you want to fry it just like that, you can go ahead and do so, but I did that, especially the round catfish. If I do not do that, they may scatter. Yes, because they don't look strong and they don't look very fresh to me. Yes, so that is why I coated it with my all-purpose flour. But you can just sprinkle the flour in your oil and then start frying. That also works perfectly. I hope you get it. So now let's start frying, and our oil is here. We'll just drop it in. When the other side is fried, we will flip it to the other side so it is well fried, and then we will remove it from the oil. So now our round catfish looks so good, and just look at that, very well fried. I decided to flip it to the other side, wait for some few minutes, and then we will remove it and put them on our paper towel or in the colander. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. I don't take it for granted. I am so grateful. Please follow us on YouTube if you want the recipe in Twi language. The name is Recipe Goddess. So follow us for more Twi videos, and trust me, you will love it there. I'll continue with the frying till I am done with everything, and I'll go behind camera and finish everything and come back to you. Now we are done, and trust me, my husbands I sent it to my husbands. They really enjoyed it. Okay, yes, they really enjoyed it, and everything was on point. The salt for it was perfect. You know, when the salt is too much or less, oh my goodness, everything gets spoiled. Okay, but this, it was perfect, and they really enjoyed it. I mean, they are going to remarry me again. Thank you so much for watching. Till I come your way next time, please do good and love yourself. See you in the next one. Bye bye.